Hello friends, today I am back with a super healthy recipe, curry made from jackfruit core and jackfruit seeds. Here I have a big jackfruit. It's a large fruit. My husband is cutting it into half to show how it looks inside. The center part with the sticky milk is the core. I've shown it with red arrows. You can see the seeds, and the center part is the core. It has got a sticky milk coming out, so we need to take it out, wash it and chop it. Here the core is running throughout the jackfruit. Here I have washed and cut it into pieces. This is what we'll be using for the curry. These are the seeds. I'm cutting it to half so that it is easy to clean it. The seed will have a tough outer covering that is whitish in color, so you can see my husband removing it, and inside it will have a thin brown color skin, so we need to remove that, otherwise it will stick to the top of the mouth while eating. So we need to remove them before we can clean them and use them for cooking. So the core has got lots of fibers. It's very good for gut health. It lowers the cholesterol. It controls. So here I am showing the removing of outer hard covering, and you can see the inside it has got a brown thin skin. We need to remove that and then wash it. So I was just telling, it controls blood sugar. It's very good for heart health. I'm talking about the core. You can see the white part of the seed. And now I'm showing the vessel in which I'm going to cook. This is a clay pot, usually used in India, and all the traditional curries are made in the clay pot for enhancing the flavor, and also it's a healthy method of cooking. So I'll be using this. You can see the pot has got two handles by the side. We can hold it. So this is what I'll be using for cooking. So the core has got vitamin C, which supports immune health. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So this dish is made in coconut oil. It's a famous dish in Kerala which uses coconut oil. So I'm here frying some pieces of coconut, which is included in the curry to give them a nice taste and also a nice bite in the curry. So we fry them till golden brown. The core has got potassium, phytonutrients, also magnesium for bone health. Here I have added some masalas that included a tablespoon of fennel seeds, 3 cinnamon sticks, a single leaf of star anise, and bay leaf. You can add even some garam masala powder if you want. So I'm not adding that, so instead I'm using the full masalas. Here I'm adding some curry leaves. The core is good for bone health as it has got lots of magnesium. Here I am adding a cup of shallots. These are Indian shallots which are more pungent than the Chinese ones. The core is very good for skin health, good for hair, for eye health. It's good for preventing anemia and very good for weight loss. It's got lots of fibers. Here you can see I'm adding the seeds after cleaning and washing them and cutting into half. The core of the jackfruit improves digestion, enhances immunity. It's got lots of protein in them, helps in building muscle. Here I have added the chopped core, jackfruit core, which is very good for blood pressure control, heart health, and it is anti-cancerous. So now I'll tell you about the seeds. The seeds has got prebiotics, which is very good for gut health, as it has got good bacteria. So I'm just closing with a lid and allowing it to cook. After about 3 minutes, I'm adding some salt according to the taste. Give it a good mix. And allow it to cook. The seeds also regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, as it improves pancreatic health. It's got calcium and phosphorus for bone health. Lots of fibers which aids digestion and good for weight loss. And it also prevents constipation and improves the gut health. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we'll start to add all the masalas that is needed. The seed has got B vitamin, which is good for brain function. It has got antioxidants and fiber for weight loss. Also supports liver health. It has got potassium, which controls the blood sugar. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder or cayenne. The seeds help to improve good cholesterol. They have vitamin C, which improves the lungs health and immunity. They are high in protein and iron, which is good for anemia, to treat anemia. It is also good for giving a glowing skin and hair. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, which is the base of all Indian dishes, Indian curries. Give it a good mix and allow it to cook. It will take about 10 minutes. So just mix it once a while. Here I am also adding some Kashmiri chili powder, about 1 tablespoon for the color. The seeds have got lots of nutrients. It builds muscle and it is anti-cancerous. So you can see I am adding some chopped tomatoes. These are about 1.5 medium-sized tomatoes. You can see how healthy this dish is, with all the nutrients and vitamins, and it is so good for building one's health. I'm adding 1 cup of water for this to cook and just mix it well. Taste for the salt and the heat and adjust it accordingly, and then allow it to cook by closing the lid. It's a very easy recipe, very healthy recipe. You can eat it as a curry, or if you make it a dry dish, you can just have it as a snack. So just keep mixing it in between, and you can see now it is done. Just check if all the seeds and the core is cooked well. In my husband's place, Kerala in India, this is a staple dish for them. They cook jackfruit in all ways and eat them in all types of manner. They also cook it raw, the raw ones, the ripe ones. There are many ways of cooking them. They make desserts, chips, so many things are made out of them. All the parts of the jackfruit are healthy and nutritious. The leaves are used for treating diabetes. And now see, my dish is ready. I'm just transferring it to the serving plate. It's hot and spicy dish. You can eat them with rice or chapatis or tortillas or rotis as we call them in India. So I'm going to garnish this dish with some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. I hope you liked my dish. Please do try it at your homes. Share it with your family and friends. And once you make it, you will know how tasty it is and how nutritious. I gave you all the nutrition in it, so do try it. Share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next recipe. I'm trying to make all jackfruit recipes now. If you have anything in particular, let me know. I'll try it. Please do try this recipe, and I would like your feedback in the comment section. Please do tell me how you liked it. Did you try it at home? And what is your feedback? Give me all the suggestions you like to give. Thank you all for watching.